All right, clutch repair, Whirlpool direct drive washer. A lot of Kenmores are the same. Let's get into it. All right, start by spinning this thing around, or just go to the back of the washer, but this is what you're gonna look for. Right in here, Phillips. All right, after we've done that, grab it the side, wiggle it, pop it up, it'll fold right over. We got everything done. I like to pick this up, grab in here, make sure our harness is off. The bottom will be caught, so just kind of walk it out and then put that to the side. Take this agitator off, we just stick a flat screwdriver in between that crease, pop it up. 7/16 onto that. Now just pull it out, top, middle shaft. There'll be a little clamp right here, you want that clamp off, and this little spacer. Next we're going down here. We got this clip, that clip back there, and there's two on the bottom as well. So it's kind of hard to see from this angle. I'm gonna stand the washer up so you can get a better look at what we're doing. Flat screwdriver. Pull that pump out of the way. All right, next let's get this harness out the way. Ooh, we got a burnt wire there. We'll have to replace that. And then get this little clip, squeeze it, push it through. If you got it laying down, it's easiest to see this. We got a screw right here, and then one right up there. All of those are 1/2 inch. Here's our clutch, all rusted and gunky, so we're gonna clean all this up. While I'm down here, we're gonna change 2 parts. New cup link with the new metal inserts, new clutch. Clutch is up top, cup link's inside. Flat screwdriver, unclip. Turn it sideways so it can get off of that groove. Same thing up top. And it's gonna drop down, so. Top clip to the side, boom, pull it out. All right, line them up. You kind of see that angle on there. Top clip, bottom clip. What we're looking for is that little hole right down in there. See that? There's that spacer, flat screwdriver. Can you see there? I'm just kind of pushing that out like that. Set that to the side. See this little sticking out part of that spiral right in there? Go right to the next gap right here. Push right up in there and then pry it out. And just keep pushing it around, working it around. Clip comes out. Clutch comes off. Clean it up. Now that you got it cleaned up, let's install the new clutch. You will need this, you will need that. new spring. Turn this over, see how it's sticking up like that? Slide it on down. Line it up with the grooves, pop it in. Spring clip, slide down. Put that in its hole. Now you just work it all the way around. I like to do that with this flat screwdriver again. Just kind of push it in. Blow one side at a time. Clip. Slide it right in there. You'll find 2 grooves. See that little groove? Be one on each side. And you just slide that clip in. I'm gonna put some assembly lube on here to make this part a little easier. All right. Sometimes you gotta spin that clutch to get it out of the way. Same spots as earlier. Clip through the hole. Clip wire harness on. Make sure there's no lint in there. Clip on, wire connected. Get it on there. Okay. We have to spin the center shaft. All right. There's a little shaft sticking up. Clip. Agitator bottom. So on this part, you see how there is, where is it? See how that's set up? You got the 2 little things that poke out and the 2 little grooves right there. See how it's gonna match up? Seven 16ths. Pop your cap on. You want to catch this front, make it slide under that lip. Keep it tight, the casing. Next here, you want to make sure this gets caught. I put a finger in this hole right here, push it in with my foot. Now we clip it in. I'm gonna spin it around. You can see me clip that in while I put this other side in. So again, foot up against the side, clip. Good. Remember that wire harness. Fold the control over. Now we do the screws in the back. Good to go.